Hi guys, it's Danielle again, and I'm back with another hair review. It is from an Aliexpress vendor called Arabella. Arabella hair. It says Arabella Bloom Your Beauty, and like I said, it is from Aliexpress. It is an Italian Yaki lace wig, Peruvian kinky straight 360 lace front wig, 180% density. Um, it's a Remy lace wig. Let me see. I did get it in a 20 inch. Um, and I'll put all that good jazz in the details below. But yeah, because I do have a kid around the house, a baby, he tore the box up. He took it out of the bag. I expect that. So yeah, this is the packaging. I don't know if you guys see that. Yeah, so it comes in this cute box. It didn't come with anything like eyelashes. You know how AliExpress does. You know, the little eyelashes or whatever. And I guess they have social media because they have this here on the box too. So straight out the bag, it comes in this bag here, and it just has the numbers on it, made in China, and I'm guessing the 20 means 20 inch on the wig. I don't know. Let's see. So fresh out the bag, it smells like AliExpress hair. So this is the wig straight out the bag. I don't know if you guys can see. There is shedding. I'm gonna wash this hair before I install it, which is why I'm not like putting it on and stuff. I need to go in and like I need to take care of it. The knots are not bleached, and it's not like that Swiss lace. I don't believe it's soft, but it's not like that. If you know that, if you know that Swiss lace, you know what I'm talking about. This is still like, it's not hard against the skin or anything. Let me see if it's my complexion. Yeah, it's not hard, but it's like not super soft like stockings or something. Maybe I'm saying that wrong. I don't know. But yeah, it is getting some shedding, which I expect. You know, just being real. This hair was not expensive at all. Actually, I had got this when they were doing that anniversary thingy, and I want to say I paid like, let me see how much I paid for it. I paid $98.99 for it, which is good for me because that's better than buying a synthetic wig for $50 and then I can't do anything with it besides put it on my head. Well, this wig, I know I know I can go in, wash it, straighten it out. Sorry, stuff like that. You want to get down? So yeah, and it is pre-plucked. I know I'm gonna have to go back and do my own thing, but from what I see, let me see. I believe I have on a stocking cap. I'm just gonna go for it. You know what I mean? I'm just gonna go for it. I have 2 braids under here. I'm just gonna put it on my head and see what it's looking like. Just so you can see if it's like really pre-plucked, or you know how what we look for when we're looking at wigs. So it is quite thick, which is cool to me. This is how long the hair is here. It comes like right here. And it feels pretty natural. I don't know if you guys can really see, but it is pre-plucked. So I might have to go back in and just do my own thing. But it's not that bad. And it's really soft. It's a little smelly. But what Aliexpress here is it just smells like, it smells like wigs. Cause I just know once I install it, it's really gonna look like my real hair. I'm just playing with it. I'm sorry guys, I just get, wigs are like my toys. Some people like other things. I like wigs. So yeah, it's gonna look so natural though. I don't know if you guys can tell. Like once I like bleach the knots and do a little bit more plucking, you know, and set it up to my liking, I feel like it's gonna be really good. And it's still shedding. I wanna wash it, and then I look crazy. I know. I wanna wash it. You wanna get down? And it does have baby hairs in the front. Those little hairs like that. Those are baby hairs. These here, they're really short. But I really do like it. It's really soft. It's really, really, really soft. It does have a comb here, you know, on the front, rather lace. I personally don't like that comb because I don't know. Are you supposed to have a braid right here or something? I don't know. Maybe I don't know. It has two combs on the side. You guys know about those. We know wigs. And then there's a comb in the back. It also has those adjustable straps. And the unique thing about this wig is that like here it stretches, like it scrunches it up if you have like a smaller head. It's not like the regular ones where it's like clipping. It actually tightens up and leaves the wig like not, it's hard to explain. You pull it and it stretches, it tightens up like that. I think that's pretty cool. And it is 360, so that's lace all around. Here, let's get a closer look on the texture. I'm loving this. I can't wait to put it on and show you guys. I can't wait. So yeah, that is Arabella Hair Company. And it looks like the picture. I'm going to show you guys the picture that I got it from. It looks like the picture. That's the picture. That's the wig there. So I don't feel like I was lied to or anything like that. A lot of people say, you know, when you get things from off Aliexpress, it's not, you know, what you purchase or not what you know, Aliexpress. Come on. The wig is pretty full, I would say. The hair is kind of spaced out. Like if you wanted to part it, it does have lace in between the tracks. There's lace, like here. Lace. So I guess if you're gonna, I don't know how people would do that. I don't know. It does seem like the frontal is a different texture from the, what are you doing? From the rest of the hair. Excuse my cap. If you don't know me, I don't care. Yeah, it seems like it's a little bit more straight, but it's like crinkled at the end. I don't know. It could be me. I could be bugging out. But in the back, it's like very more defined. Like this area here. It's like really this defined curl pattern. It's really pretty though. Like if you see me, like my hands aren't like getting stuck or anything. It's just the shedding part. Just like two hairs is coming out. That's not bad to me. That's not bad. So that's it with this review on this wig. I would say I'm going to do my thing, put my thing on the wig, and I will let you guys know how it turns out. I'm really excited about this one, actually. And I'll keep you guys updated. Stay tuned for the next video, and then I'll be reviewing another wig. And you guys take it easy. I hope you have a great day. Bye.